Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan Singh today attended the inaugural ceremony of the 10 crore addictive-free pledge mega campaign under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan and Mission Spandan spiritual partnership against narcotic drug abuse organized by Brahma Kumaris Manipur in collaboration with its medical wing Raj Yoga Education and Research Foundation at Paidinga, Imphal. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has envisioned Viksit Bharat 2047 with the goal of making India one of the most developed nations in the world. He stated that the vision can only be realized if the country's youth remain free from the menace of drugs. He noted that the nationwide drug-free campaign commenced yesterday across the country and that Manipur is proud to be part of this national movement. Speaking on the law and order situation in the state, Yumnam Khemchan said that although Manipur continues to face multiple challenges, the government and the people are making sincere efforts to restore lasting peace, and encouraging signs of improvement are now visible. He said that every ordinary citizen who has no interest in conflict desires only peace and normalcy. The Chief Minister, however, expressed concern that acts of violence have repeatedly undermined efforts towards reconciliation. Referring to incidents that disrupted the peace process, he said such acts benefit only those who seek to profit from conflict. He asserted that these individuals do not represent any particular community but are driven by vested interests that oppose the restoration of peace. Reiterating the government's commitment, Chief Minister said that restoring peace remains the government's foremost priority and that there will be no compromise in ensuring justice and taking action against those responsible for crimes. He appealed to every citizen to cooperate with the government in rebuilding trust, restoring harmony, and creating a peaceful environment essential for achieving the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. During the program, the Chief Minister represented the Universal Peace Ambassador Award to Rajyogi B.K. Nilama, in charge of Brahma Kumaris Manipur, in recognition of her contributions towards spiritual service and social welfare. He also launched the campaign voucher as part of the inaugural function. A pledge for a drug-free India was also administered during the program, reaffirming the commitment of participants to stay away from intoxicants and spread awareness against substance abuse. Home Minister Shri Govindas Konthaujam, Director of Medical Services Dr. Jugindro Sorokhaibam, Professor of Psychiatry RIMS Dr. R.K. Lenin, and social activist Puinabati Konsam, Vice President of the Association of Indian Private Universities Dr. N. Irabanta, members of Brahma Kumaris, and were among the members who attended the event.
Semanindaba reality kalagwakangu sumba component singsina lebak irang thoga Santi laitana maramrakta hekone adubu semi sarkar si praja mayamna Santi porakanindana aikoi sarkar ma laiba pai hebel ki kolabru semgi bani so aikoi sarkar si challenging to restore peace Santi purapada aikoi karibung makalam dagi koi compromise toroi aduna aina thamjaningi si loisan jarakpada aduna aikoi punna manipurda Santi Hanjalanaba Amadi Viksit Bharat 2047 gi adugumba Bharatna Malemgi Thakta Malemgi Khwaidagi Sokatpat Lebak ama winaba honariba si khongtang sida aikoi mayam su yoksalakanda Manipur su madugi sokatpagi khongtang da sangse haiba taragadi aikoi Santi lebak ama batawani